Hi everyone, this is Kazemi. I'm here with Alden, Tatwe, and Marilla. Tell me a little bit about your project, guys.
Okay, so our project is a website for Yale students to connect with one another in their classes, and they can find other people in their class, and they can like arrange times to PSET together. Yeah.
So let's see PSET Party in action. Let's see how it works.
All right. So over here, this is my homepage after I've logged in, and I can search for classes here, and like let's say I want to search for computer science classes. I can search like that, and then let's say I want to add CPSC 100 to my list of classes. So now CPSC 100. So this is my homepage, and like this is my classes that I'm taking. So if I go to CPSC 100, this is the homepage, and I can see which other students are taking the class. I can click calendar, and then I can see here like which are the times which other students want to PSET, and I also have my own input here, which I can add via update availability. So going back to the calendar, when I'm actually doing the PSET, I can indicate that I'm online to other students by clicking the PSET on button, and then it'll turn green. Yeah. Also, if let's say I want to work with this student who's online now, I can just click on his name. His contact details are here. I can also send him an email in the website itself. For example, I can type hi, and like let's work together. And if I send him an email, so I've logged into Alden's email here. Oh no, I haven't. Yeah. So he'll receive an email from yalepsetparty@gmail.com. Yep.
This is really what was the like most difficult piece of putting all this together for you guys?
I think it was like the fine details. So for example, if I would go to a calendar, we need to implement stuff like a check to see, you can only PSET on for like the stuff that you uploaded. And you can only press PSET on for the PSET parties on the day of on the current day. So you can't like change your status for PSET party you schedule a week later. So there's all this like fine stuff that we had to like implement. Yeah, it was mostly that. We had to also figure out how to do the update option and the email, how to send an email direct from the website itself. Yeah, it was mainly that.
I'm interested, like when doing the email. I've seen like I from personal experience, I know that can be like kind of hard to like integrate that email feature. What was that like? Like what steps did you take to get that up and running?
Yeah, so we actually had a short like lecture on it, or rather a short part of the lecture on it on a CS50 lecture. So there was already like code there that we could look at and understand. I think, going online to see like what specific like module to use or what specific code to use was a bit difficult. We chose to use email specific for the website because it was just that much easier to integrate it with an email without having to have the user enter their own email here, because we were concerned about security issues, because we weren't that confident that our website could like be that secure, so that if you enter your email account and password, that it would not be able to be hacked or something. So we just used email for the website itself instead. That was our solution. Yeah.
So this looks really great. Like, do you guys think you'll actually use it, or like, because like I could imagine like for CS50 especially, like when office hours are not in session, this would be super helpful.
Yeah, I think definitely there's the potential to make this into a real website for people to use, and I think we can definitely improve on this by adding all the classes available. And like once we've posted the website onto an online server, then I think it will actually be very useful to Yale students. Yeah.
Yeah, there were a couple of things we wanted to, like, if we had more time to add on. Like, we're thinking of like a group functionality to like indicate, when you're working in a group. So instead of just seeing one person's green dot, you will see like a green dot with like a person's name and like 4 other people under that tab to show that, there's a group of 5, which will encourage more people to work together, for example. And we also thought about like a chat function as opposed to an email function, which is a lot more dynamic and faster to communicate with. Yeah, and I think because of how the website is created, in the sense that the only thing that is specific to Yale is the classes itself. It also means that any other institution that wants to use it can just upload their own classes, and this can like be exported there as well. So these are all like possible options that can be made. Yeah.
Thank you so much. This looks really cool. Like I hope you guys do, like
Thank you.
keep moving forward with it because I know I would like to use it. Once again, this is Kazemi, and this is CS50.